Today we are going to do a unboxing and deep dive of the new Limelite X2. So I want you guys to check it out with me and let's see what you think. So first, what's inside the Limelite X2? So one, you're gonna have a power bank. Now this is only included if you purchase the power bank, okay? It does not come with the bag. You're gonna have your manual. You're also gonna have your mouse. This is what you're gonna use to control the screen primarily. You may also get a flash drive. This is just a gift from me to you, okay? This is your power cord. In this box, you have your charger. So if you're stationary, you can plug your bag in without using a power bank. Then you're gonna also have a remote. This helps control the screen, but again, the mouse is the primary guide. The inside does have quite a bit of space. It goes all the way down as well. That's what it's gonna look like. For the inside, you're gonna have a few pockets right here. Once you look on the inside, you'll be able to see all your charging ports right here. So your USB, where you're gonna plug your power bank in, and a few other connections you'll have right there. Now right here, you'll have a few extra pockets. You have a pocket one right here, a second pocket right here. You'll have just some extra space for small items down here. You will have, a small pocket for your laptop right here. The sides right here, this is your speaker. You have a speaker on both sides inside your bag. On the back side, you have another small pocket on the back, for wallet, keys, small things. So let's turn this bad boy on. What you're gonna do to turn your bag on, you're gonna grab this cord right here, open the very first zipper at the top, plug this in, grab your power bank, plug your power bank in. While that is powering on, grab your mouse. On the inside of your mouse, you'll see a small USB connector. So what you're gonna do with this is plug it in one of the USB connection inside the bag. So now your bag is on. Then on the mouse, it should be an off. Change that to the USB icon right at the top on the back of your mouse. So once you turn that on, your mouse is gonna light up. And now you get to control the screen of your bag. So once you turn your bag on, you may see this screen. So this is just the Magic Player. It controls an app that allows you to play your content on repeat non-stop. Now this is set to automatically come on. I'm gonna show you how you can just turn that off. What you're gonna do is you're gonna go to Toolbox, and from Toolbox, you're gonna go to Application Management, and from Application Management, hit Magic Player, and where you'll see Start Up, that's on, just turn it off. Once that's off, it won't continue to pop up every time. Now, the next thing you're gonna wanna do, connect to Wi-Fi. All you have to do is just go to the menu and you just connect to the Wi-Fi. And once you're connected, you can now download apps. So what you're gonna do next is just log into the Play Store. And from the Play Store, obviously you can download any apps you want. So right now I have Netflix downloaded. I have YouTube downloaded. If you want to add content to your bag, there are a few things that you could do to add content. The first one obviously is you can use that flash drive. So once you add the content to your flash drive, just go ahead and plug it in the USB slot in the motherboard on your bag. A cool feature you have as well is you can save the content from the flash drive to your internal storage. The second option you have to add content is you download any online storage apps, whether that be Google Drive, iCloud, OneDrive, and from there you can access all your content. So you can just download your content from the Google Drive folder straight to your bag. My favorite means of adding content is an app called Local Send. With Local Send, you can download it straight to your phone and to the bag. It allows you to just share content within seconds. What you're gonna do is open both apps. You have to be on the same network, your phone and the bag, for you to send it. So once the app is downloaded and both your bag and your phone, you can then just go into the app on your phone, hit send, and it's gonna prompt you to select the file that you wanna select. Once it's added, you just go ahead and send it straight to the bag, and within seconds, you'll have all your content ready to be displayed on your bag. Now, let's say that you have a video file that you wanted to, play in rotation. Open the video app on your bag, select the file that you want to play. Hit the three dots on the right, and you're going to go to play mode. And from play mode, you're going to select repeat one. It's just going to keep that one file or that one video playing in rotation as long as you want. So let's say you had a few pictures that you wanted to do in rotation as well. Go to the gallery app, just hit slideshow, and slideshow is just going to keep playing your content in rotation for you. Now, one trick that I normally use for my content, just to make sure that the content you want is playing at a speed that you want and you can control it, I normally use CapCut to edit. If it's, say you have 5 pictures you want to play in a rotation, instead of having it play in a slideshow, I would just go to CapCut, add all those pictures to a video file, and I'll just add the video file to the bag and set that and repeat. If you wanted to make more changes to your bag, you can go into settings. That's where you'll find your Wi-Fi connection, your Bluetooth and all of that. If you want to change the display on your bag, you can just go to settings, hit display, go down to wallpaper, and you can select any of the pictures you have currently on your gallery. Another cool trick that you can do with your bag, so let's say while you're using the mouse and the pointer on the screen is too small for you, you can actually make that bigger. So open settings and go to accessibility, and you're going to scroll down to large mouse pointer. Just select that and turn it on. You'll see the size of your pointer increases. You can also increase the size of your text as well. So if you want it large, extra large, so that you can read content a bit clearer, that's an option you have. So straight in accessibility, it's right at the top, and just change your font size there. You can also change your display size as well. Now also, to use your mouse, the way the mouse operates, right click is go back. So every time you right click, it's gonna go back. That should be all the main points about using the Limelite X2. Most of the features you can just play around with and just see, how you want to change it. Again, it's an Android 11 display system, so it's similar to like an Android phone if you have one. If you have any questions, feel free to message me on Instagram or send us an email, and I'll be happy to assist you further. So have fun with your Limelite X2 and let me know if you have any questions, okay?